In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Google Sheets from your Jotform account. Whether you're reorganizing your integrations or just need to tidy up your linked apps, this process is straightforward and quick. So let's dive right in and walk through each step together. First, you'll want to make sure you are logged into your Jotform account and have your specific form open. Once you're in, head straight over to the Settings tab. You can find this by looking at the top of your Jotform dashboard where it should be clearly labeled. Clicking on it will take you to a series of options tailored for configuring your form. Now within the settings, there's an option called Integrations. If you're integrating various tools and services with your forms, Jotform allows you to manage this under one roof, making it a truly powerful feature. Click on Integrations and you'll be directed to a list of all the different apps and services that you can connect with your form. For today, we need to focus on Google Sheets, which is likely somewhere on that list if you have it connected. As you navigate through the options, look carefully for Google Sheets. This integration is quite popular because it allows you to send form responses directly to a Google Sheets spreadsheet, streamlining data collection and management. Once you've found Google Sheets on your list, you'll see a small trash bin icon or a Remove Integration button beside it. Click this icon, signaling that you wish to end this integration. After you've hit the Remove option, a confirmation prompt will appear. This is just a safety measure to ensure that you genuinely want to unlink the integration, as doing so will cease any data transfer from your form to Google Sheets. So, if you're absolutely sure about proceeding, go ahead and confirm the decision to unlink. And that's it! You're done. The integration between your Jotform and Google Sheets is now successfully removed. This simple process gives you the flexibility to manage your form integrations effectively, allowing you to link or unlink as per your requirements. I hope you found this tutorial clear and easy to follow. Unlinking integrations like Google Sheets can be necessary for a variety of reasons, from reorganizing workflows to protecting sensitive data. With this guide, you should feel confident doing it yourself whenever needed. Remember, the more comfortable you get with using tools like Jotform, the more efficient and effective you'll be in managing your data collection processes. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to check out our other videos for more helpful tips.